and today it's raining. I came out so that I may do a vlog. Then it started pouring, you know. So which means I cannot go. I'm in the Hong Kong central side. I'm on the central side. I wanted to do a vlog on the central side because there's a place where it looks like a Times Square. But unfortunately, I don't have an umbrella to go on the rain. But the good part about Hong Kong is it's beautiful. You know, many places are cool. So thank you so much for joining this channel. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy this vlog. Even though we're not going to be walking in the rain, there's still some cool places we are going to see. So where I'm at right now, I'm at this wheel, which is in the Sandra side. So you can buy a ticket there and get on the wheel, but it's raining. I'm not going to do that. But there is also an amusement park, I think, around here. Or they usually have, you know, a concert or a park. Now there's a stadium, the mega stadium there. So this is Hong Kong. Let's go. So you ask yourself, how did I get to Central? Did I use subway, MTR? No. Did I walk? No. I use a ferry. Very cheap. Ferry is quite affordable. You know, it's only cost me $5. Hong Kong dollars, guys. Hong Kong dollars. So this is from the other side of Hong Kong. How beautiful it is. And you can see it's pouring, right? The skies are black. That there is a rain to come. This is a place you can actually relax, you know. A lot of people are here. You just enjoy the breeze from the water. But as for me, I have a vlog to do and some cool places to show you guys. So let's see if we can salvage our ways to record even in the rain and show you some cool places. The good part is they make this kind of shape, you know, like it's kind of like it's a pathway. You're gonna be just walking, you know, recording my vlog. AIA. So this looks like a stadium for live shows, you know, because it's decorated. What's happening? Some water pouring on me, guys. Unfortunately, the shared pathway is done, so I need to wait here until the water is no longer pouring. So what do we have on the other side there? Over there we've got exhibition. This is where I'm going to go. I'm going to go this way. There's exhibition, there's some hotels, some government buildings, and on the other side also, that's where there is it's called Crossway Bay on that other side. So I'm going to try to walk all the way there. To be, you know, in alignment with it. That's what's happening. But now it's no longer raining like that much, you know. That's a good part. So let's see Hong Kong. this beautiful park here in Hong Kong. If you want to come and relax, chill, it's a really beautiful park, especially at night. You know, those things which looks like eggs, the light on, you know. Seems like it's now beginning to increase the pace of this rain, so I need to walk a little bit faster or find somewhere to hide, because I don't want to have some valuable goods which can get wet in my bag, you know. Likewise, also these balls which looks like eggs at night, also they turn on, they look so beautiful. I think there's some construction going on or some new development going on here, as you can see. So this is the other side of the Victoria Hub, outside. I'm here in the rain, guys. You know what we do for vlogs, guys? This is what we do. The sacrifices, staying in the rain, so that I'm gonna show you around this place. So you better like it. So another park where there's like some holes where someone can hide for rain, you know. So this really nice greeny place, you know. If I did not have valuable goods in my bag, I wasn't going to mind walking in this rain because it's really beautiful. It feels different. It feels really different. No, it just feels like I'm enjoying the blessings of the Lord. Seems like there's some construction going on here. Whew. I've been walking right for over 8 minutes. I've been walking. But where I'm coming from, at that side, from that tall building, really tall one, coming to this other side. That side is called Central, Hong Kong Central. This side is called Crossway Bay. You know, where there is that eagle thing. So seems like it's now pouring. I need to get undercover soon because the rain is now pissing out now. I feel it coming. I feel it coming. So this is Hong Kong Exhibition Center building. You know, oh, I don't know, there's a road over there. See, people are wearing raincoats and I'm not, because I don't have one. Excuse me. Hong Kong Convention and Exhibition Center. This is it, guys. I think I'm going to try to go through this way because I believe I can see through the end, through this Hong Kong exhibition. There's no rain there, but there's rain where I am. So if I enter this way and try to salvage my way. So now you're under the shed. So no more rain for me. I hope I find the same place towards the end. I'm going the wrong way. This is Hong Kong Exhibition Center. If you ever come to Hong Kong Exhibition, this is the place. So next time when you come to Hong Kong for exhibition, you might want to pass by here. Oh boy, I'm out again, guys. Seems like I have to go back to the rain, but let's get it. Seems like there are a lot of people here coming out of the exhibition. I don't know whatever they are doing, but they are here. Oh yes, they're coming out of the exhibition building. I don't know if there's an exhibition today, but this is it. Okay, across the road, we go to the other side, you know, trying to find a shed. That's what we do. We walk under the shed, walk under the shed, walk under the shed, under the cover of the Almighty. Okay. There we go, guys. We are back again, guys, in the rain. What can we do? Just walk fast. I'm almost there at the crossbar. Okay, I don't need to go like this. This is Cross Bay, guys. We've arrived. So this is where you take a ferry when you're going to Wang Chai, Cross Bay. You feel me? So where do I take a... No way. I don't want to go all the way down there. You know, I know where I'm going. So it's better go like this when I get there. So I need to go this way. So I go this way. You know, you see, I'm figuring the way out. So this is where you can get to Austin subway station. Austin subway station is over here. Because of the rain, there is some traffic jam, but not for me. Why so? Because I'm walking on my foot, on my feet, with my foot. So no traffic for me. Maneuver, finding my way around. So this is that the Great Eagle you see from the other side. You know, this is it. This is it. Panasonic that you see from the other side, this is it. ICBC Bank, this is it. So you feel me? Just come to the other side and you will see the beauty of this side. So this bus station, Sui Saiwan, Hangfachuan, Wang Chai, wherever they are going, let them go. I'm walking on my feet. So let's get on the elevator. That's the good part about it. Now there is no more rain for me. So this is the exhibition building, guys.
Sorry, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. So that guy, elevators in Hong Kong, most of them, they have a screen to show you this. Going up, yes, let's go up. So they actually have a screen to show you if there's no one or there's someone inside. So This is screen. There's no one now. So look at this beautiful road going so all the way here. So that's Cross Bay. There's a really good nice spot for kids and for family and for pets in Crossway Bay. Then this exhibition center on the other side, we've been there, so we saw there's a wheel, rotating wheel, there's a concert event center, and also there is the central part. But I could not go to the central part to show you the square because it was raining. And now we are at the Great Eagle. The Great Eagle is filled with amazing restaurants. It has got amazing restaurant where you can eat, and shopping mall, the shopping mall. So let's go and see. I know that works, so it's good. So guys, my battery is about to die. If I manage to put another battery, we'll continue. But if not, thank you so much for staying with me. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Make sure that you like, comment and subscribe before you leave for more about Hong Kong and Asian countries. We are on the road, guys. We are going to many places. We're going to meet different people, so you don't want to miss this one. So stay tuned, stay connected, learn something from this vlog, and these are the best vlog to watch, especially if you are going to visit, travel, or want to have an idea how it looks like over here. So thank you so much once again. See you in the next vlog.